Hello, Donald, my new friend. I've called to beg to you again, because I really want to be VP. I think about it every time I pee. And that vision that you planted in my gray still remains. I love the sound of TrumPence. The GOP is not alone in thinking you're the devil's clone. Neath the halo of your tanning lamps, I reached out to gently hold your hand when my eyes went blind by the flash of your neon hair. But don't despair, I love the ring of TrumPence. And at the RNC I saw 10,000 rhinos, maybe more. People talking without the facts. People hearing lots of bullcrap. Folks yelling vows of voting never Trump. Yet no one dare disturb the sounds of TrumPence. Fool, shut up, you do not know how hot the Trumpster fever grows. Heed our words about crooked Hillary. Her email lies in Benghazi. And the cheers, like recent polls, they rose just as Fox and echoed in the halls of TrumPence. All the voters bowed and prayed to the orange-faced god they made. And the Donald gave fair warning about the great big wall that is coming. And those fugly hats say he'll make America great again. He guarantees. So ends the sound